Hello students, today I am going to start your fundamental concept of geometry. In this one I am going to define different topics of a geometry, and then after I am going to solve your exercise also. Okay student? Geometry. I am going to talk about what is geometry. What is geometry? Geometry is made of two Greek word. First one is a geo, and second one is a metron. Metron, or you can tell that metry also. It is made of two Greek word. Geo means earth, and metron means measurement. Measurement means that to measurement of a earth. Earth is a symbol of a position, shape, size. Okay, to measurement of a different shape and size is known as a geometry. Okay, so according to the definition of a geometry is geometry is a branch of a mathematics. Is a branch of a mathematics that studies of sizes, shapes, position of angles, and dimension of things, Dimension means length, breadth and height. Dimensions of things. Okay, so geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies of sizes, shapes, position of angles and dimensions of things. So this is the definition of a geometry. Geometry is made up of two Greek words, geo and metron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. To measurement of earth means that different shape and different shape, size, positions. Here is a symbol of this. Okay, so basically definition is a geometry is a branch of a mathematics that studies of a sizes, shapes, position of angles and dimension of things. And students, and there is three basic point related to geometry. Is a basic points is that a line, a point and plane. So students, this is the introduction of a geometry. Okay, a point, a line, a plane are the three basic concepts in geometry. Geometry begins with these fundamental building blocks, and all other concepts build and develop with the initial ideas of a point, a line and a plane. Means that other concept which we are going to define by using geometry. First we define a line, a point, a plane. By using this concept of a point, a line and a plane, we can define other concepts, other ideas of a geometry. So then after I'm going to start your first definition, which is based on a point. Okay, this is point. A point in geometry, a point is a mark of a position. Okay, means that if we using a sharp edge of a pencil and put a dot on a sheet of a paper, dot, this is known as a mark of position. This dot is represented by English capital letter of English alphabet, that is known as A, B, C, D. You can use any capital letter of English alphabet, that is known as a point. A point is a mark of position. It is dimensionless quantity. It has no length, no breadth, no height. It is a dimensionless quantity. It is represented by a dot. Point is a mark of position. It is represented by a sharp edge of your pencil. A dot is represented by a sharp edge of a pencil. By using a sharp edge of a pencil, you can represent a dot on your sheet of a paper. Then it is known as a point. Point has a no dimension, means that no length, no breadth, and no height. It is only a position. It is only a mark of position. Okay. Now the second point is a line. Second point is a line. Line is a collection of a different line is a collection of points. Okay. If you represent a points and if you join this one, these points made a straight path, and that straight path is known as a line. That straight path is known as a line. It is represented by a small letter of English alphabet, L, M, N, and so on, or by using 2 points on that, 2 distinct point A. Suppose I will take another example. I have taken a 2 point on that, 2 distinct point A and B on that one. It is AB is a line, L is a line, and this AB is represented by A, B, and both that arrow, both sides we can extend. A line you can extend in both the directions. Okay, so line is basically a collection of points. A line is formed by a collection of points. A line is formed by a collection of points. It is represented by a small letter of English alphabet, or by using 2 distinct points on that straight path. It is known as a straight path, straight line also, A and B, and it is represented by both side arrow. Both side arrow means that it has no end point. You can extend it in both the direction. And it is a one-dimensional quantity. It means that it has only length. No breadth and no height. It is a one-dimension quantity. Okay, it has only length, not a breadth nor height. Okay, so a line is formed by a collection of points, and if you join if you take a 2 distinct points on that is known as AB. AB is a line, or you can say that P and Q. PQ is a line. It is represented by both arrows. It means that it has no end points. You can extend it both the direction endlessly. Okay, it is no end point. A line has no end points. Very important point. This one is a straight line has no end points, and it is represented by a small letter or a capital or 2 distinct capital letter of English alphabet. Okay, and it is a one-dimensional quantity. It has only length. Okay, not a breadth nor height. Okay, line segment. This is also important. A line segment is a part of a line. Line segment is a part of a line. Okay, very important. Line segment is a part of a line. Means that if you this is a line. Suppose I have taken a line L, and I have taken this is a line. Okay, it move both the direction. Okay, but line segment is a part of a line. If I take a 2 point on that, P and Q, line segment is a part of a line. It has a definite length. Means this A, P and Q, till that this is known as a line segment. This is known as a line segment. It has a definite length. Line segment is a part of a line. This point P and Q. It has a definite length. You can measure it with the use of a scale. Okay, this is a definite length that is known as a line segment. It has a two end points. This is P and this one is a Q. It has a two end point. Line segment is a part of a line. Okay, it has a definite length and you cannot extend in both the directions. It has a two end points. Very important. It has a two end points. So line segment is a part of a line. Okay, it has a definite length and basic point is that it has a two end points. You cannot move both the direction. It has a end point, means it has a definite length. Okay, so again I want to explain this one. A line segment is a part of a line. Okay, it has a definite length. You cannot extend in both the directions. It has a two end points. Okay, and it is represented by, suppose here is a PQ, so PQ and a length there, means you cannot extend. It has a definite length. Okay, this is a line segment. Line segment is a part of a line. It has a definite length and it has a two end points. Okay, so next point is a ray. Okay, and is a ray. Okay, ray is also a part of a line. Ray is also a part of a straight line. Okay, that has one initial point, one end point. A ray has a one end point. A ray is a part of a straight line, but it has a one end point. Suppose this one, it has a one end point and one point moving endlessly in one direction. Okay, a ray is a part of a line which have a one initial end point, one end point and other point moving endlessly in a one direction. A ray is a part of a line which has one end point fixed called the initial point. One end point fixed, it is called the initial point. It is called a initial point, that which the point which is fixed, that is called the initial point, and one point moving endlessly in one direction. So it is represented by A, which is end. First we write this, which is initial point. First we write that one, and that which is moving endlessly points we write then after, and it is represented by this AB and one direction of ray. Okay, AB is a ray with initial point A and B, any point mark on it. AB, okay, A is the initial points, and suppose if it is written that BA, it is equal to AB? No, because here is a B is the initial point and A is any point on that line. A is any point on that line. Okay, AB is not equal to BA. Ray AB is not equal to ray BA, because here is A is the initial point in this one, B is the initial point. How you will represent this one? This A is moving endlessly in that direction and B is the end point. It means it is, this one is moving to this directions and just opposite of AB. BA is a just opposite of AB. So ray has a one dimension. Sorry, ray has a, it is also one dimension. Ray has a one end point. Okay, and that point is known as a initial point. And ray is also a part of a line. Okay, it has a one fixed point and that is called the initial point, and one point mark on that ray is moving endlessly on one direction. Okay, and it is represented by a single arrow. It is represented by a single arrow. This is the definition of a ray. It's a collinear points. Means that collinear points when three are more than 3 points. When three are more than 3 points lie on a same straight line, lie on a same lines. 3 are more than 3 points. they are lie on a same lines, 3 or more than 3 points are said to be a collinear if they lie on the same line. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear. Collinear points means that if 3 or more than 3 points lie on a same line. 3 or more than 3 points lie on a same line. 3 or more than 3 points, it is a line L. If we take a point A, B, C, D, they are said to be a collinear points. 3 or more than 3 points lie on a same line, they are said to be a collinear points. If we take this F here, E is here. So can you tell this A, B, C, D, E, F is lie on a same line? No, they are said to be a non-collinear points. A, B, C, D is a collinear points, and A, B, C, D, E, F is a non-collinear points. 3 or more than 3 points, if they are lie on a same line, they are said to be a collinear points. Means that 3 or more than 3 points lie on a same line, they are said to be a collinear points. Okay, now sixth one is a concurrent lines. If 3 or more than 3 lines, intersect each other on a one point, 3 or more than 3 points, if they are passing or they are intersecting at a single point, or they are passing through a single point, they are said to be a concurrent lines. 3 or more than 3 lines. 3 or more than 3 lines. 3 or more than 3 lines passing through a single point, they are said to be a concurrent lines. L M N O P. There is a 5 lines L M N O P. They are passing through a single point. That point is known as A. So they are said to be a concurrent lines. 3 or more than 3 lines. 3 or more than 3 lines passing through a single point. They are said to be a concurrent lines. Okay. The plane. Plane is a two-dimensional quantity. Plane is a two-dimensional quantity. Like this is a board. Okay. Length and breadth. It has a no height. Okay. So plane is any figure which you can extend endlessly. Means this is only a representation of a plane. Earth is also a plane. Okay. So plane is a shape which have a length and breadth, and it moves endlessly in all directions. Okay. And it is a collection of lines. A plane is a collection of lines. If it is a collection of a line, means that it has a collection of a point also. So I will show you this with the example. I have taken a plane here. In this one, you can move in this direction also. In that length and breadth, both the direction you can move endlessly. Okay. Here I have taken a line AB. It has other points also on that. Okay. You can take a different points on that. Okay. It can move endlessly in all directions. So plane is a flat surface that has some length and breadth but no thickness. The surface of a sheet of paper and the tabletop are example of a plane. In fact, they are a parts of a planes because a plane is supposed to extend infinitively. You can extend infinitively in all directions. Okay. It is made up of an infinite number of lines. Hence, it is made up of a infinite number of point also. Okay. if 2 points on a line lie in a plane, then every points on the line lies in the plane. Okay, if you can see this one, if a line AB lie on that plane, this is a plane, this is, you can represent a capital letter of English alphabets. Okay, if it is a, suppose I have taken a P is any plane. On that, if I have taken a line AB, so this line AB is lie on the plane, other points which is lie on this line also lie in the same plane. Okay, so this is the definition of a plane, and then I'm going to start some properties related to the line. Okay, some properties related to the lines. First one is there are infinite numbers of points on a straight line. I told you earlier, there are infinite or infinite number of points on a straight line. If you draw a line, here is, I have taken L, it have a different points. It is the collection of a different points. So like a P, Q, R, S, it has a different numbers. It has a infinite numbers of point on a straight line. Okay, this is the first property of a line. Second one is an infinite number of lines you can draw through a single point. If it is one point is given, you can draw infinite numbers of lines. From that single point, you can draw infinite number of lines through a given single points. A point, if suppose a point A is given, on that points you can draw infinite number of lines. So it is very important point. Through a single point, you can draw infinite number of lines. Through a single point you can draw infinite number of lines. Infinite number of lines. You can draw infinite number of lines. Okay, through a single point. Third property, one and only one line passes through two different given points. If 2 points is given, here A and here is a B, you can draw only one line. Only one line you can draw through given two different points. If suppose point C is given, so you can draw only one line through given two different points. Okay, so this is also very important. One and only one line passes through a two different given points. Okay, now that fourth property is point A and point B. You can draw only one line, okay, through two distinct points. Next one is two lines intersect only two lines intersect each other. They have a one common point. Two lines, if they are intersecting each other, they have only one common point. They have intersect only one point. If two lines intersecting each other, they have only one as a common points. Point A, L and M. Two lines intersect each other, they have only one as a common points. They cannot intersect more than one. Okay, more than one. It has only one as a common points. Two lines intersect each other at a single point. This is very important. If you have intersecting two lines, they have only one times they are intersecting each other, it means that it has only one common points. Two different. The fourth point, two different lines cannot have a more than one point in a common. It means that if two different lines intersect each other, they have only one as a common point. It means that they have intersect only one point in that. Okay, if two lines, any two lines, suppose I have taken a P and Q, two lines, if they are intersecting each other, they are intersecting at a one single point. Okay, that P and this is a Q. Two lines, if they are intersecting each other, they have intersect only a single points, or they have only one point as a common. So this is a few properties related to line. Okay, so after that I'm going to start your exercise. Okay, so in that, first one is exercise first. Fill in the blanks. An infinite number of lines can pass through a, very easy students, an infinite number of lines can pass through a given single points. Means through one point you can pass a different or infinite number of lines. Second one is the number of straight line passes through two distinct points is 1. Only one line passes through two given points. Okay, a line segment has two endpoints. A dash has only one endpoints, means that a dash has only one endpoints. Array has only one endpoints. Question number 6, a dash has no endpoints. A line has no endpoints. So first one is very easy, fill up. Second one is identify the true and false statement. Only two straight lines passes through two given points. Only two straight lines. No, through a two distinct point you can pass only one line. Okay, a straight line has a finite length. No, it is also false. A straight line has a infinite length. Okay, you can move endlessly in both the direction. Now the question number third one, a line segment is completely known if one endpoint is known. A line segment is completely known if one point is known. One endpoint is known. Means line segment has a two endpoints. If one point is known, means other second point is also known. Then after you can know that the line segment. Okay, so it is also a false. Array has no definite length. Yes, it is a true. Only one line segment can be drawn through two given points. Yeah, that is also true. Only one ray can be drawn through a given point. No, you can draw infinite number of rays. You can draw infinite number of line. You can draw infinite number of ray also. Okay, only one ray can be drawn from a given point. It is a false student. Now the seventh one, the length of a line segment is the distance between its end points. Yeah, that is true. The length of a line segment is the distance between its end points. Yeah, that is true. How would you denote the following? Straight lines, you know that how to denote. Line segment CD, you know that. Ray EF. Question number 4, if C is the middle point of a line segment AB and AC and AC 7, find BC and AB. Find BC and AB. Very easy, students. Question number 4, C is the middle point. I can show you this one. Here you see this, students, question exercise first. Exercise first and second. First one is a fill-ups and second one is identify true and false. You know that how to do this one. Do it in your copy. Question number 3, how would you denote the following? Straight line, you know that straight line AB is asking. So straight line AB you can denote like that. A line segment CD is a line segment, you can denote it like that. Line segment CD, ray line AB, and the ray EF. Ray EF, E is the end point or initial point, and F is the second point which is moving endlessly. Okay, now this question number, this is the third one. Question number 4. C is the middle point of a line segment AB. AB is any line segment. Sorry, AB is any line segment. Line segment has a two end point. Okay, you can make the figure with the help of a pencil and ruler, students. Okay, scale. You can use the scale to draw line, points, anything. You can use a scale and pencil. You can make your figure with the help of a pencil only, students. You cannot use a pen to make the figure. Okay, this is an important point. You can remember that if you are going to make a figure, you can use a pencil and scale. Okay, here is in from your question number 4. A line segment AB is given, and given that C is a midpoint of this one, and length of AC is given that 7 centimeter. It is a middle point. So what about this one? AC is a 2 times, AB is a 2 times of AC. AB is a 2 times of AC. So 2 into 7, you get it 14 centimeter. So length of a AB is a 14 centimeter. So length of a BC is equal to AC is equal to 7 centimeter, because it is a middle point. Means it divide line segment AB in two same parts, AC in and CB. Okay, so BC is a 7 centimeter and AB is a 14 centimeter. Question number 5. A, B and C are three collinear points. Name all the line segment they determine. Question number 5. See this question number 5 here, students. A line segment A, B, C. Here is given that A, B, C are three collinear points. Name all the line segments. So all the line segments are. First one is, start with A, AB. If you have written that line segment, so don't put the bar on that one. Okay, AB, BC, AB, BC, then AC. Okay, AB, BC and AC. There is a three line segment. Name all the line segments of the following. Okay, so line segments from first figure. Line segments are, start with point A, AB, BC, CD, okay, DA, then start with O, OA, OB, OC, OD, okay, and then after AC and you will see this thing. Okay, here I AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay, then start with O, OA, OB, OA, OB, OC, OC, OD. Okay, and then after AC and BD, AC and BD. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So AB, BC, CD, DA, OA, OB, OC, OD, AC and BD. These are the line segment from first figure. Now the second figure, line segments are start with A, AB, BC, CD, DE, EA, then AD, BD and BD and BD. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, here is the 7 line segments: AB, BC, CD, DE, EA, AD and BD. These are the line segments of your question number 6. So this is the last question of your exercise. So students, so you can complete, first you complete the definition of your chapter fundamental concept of geometry, and then after you will start your exercise. Okay, do it slow and properly in your copy, students, and make your geometrical figure with the help of a pencil and scale, students. Don't use a pen, okay, for making a figure. Okay, thank you, students.